Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of the UTK weighted heating pads for shoulder, neck and the back. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of UTK neck and shoulder heating pad, you will find a quick start guide, instruction manual, a warranty card and the heating pad with the power cable and the control connected to the body. Talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing you will notice about UTK neck and shoulder heating pad is that how luxurious and stylish it looks. It is made of soft, smooth fur that looks quite beautiful and premium. In the inside, it is filled with the tourmaline beads that contributes in the weight of this heating pad and also gets hot once we connect it with the power supply. The overall design is quite premium, beautiful, eye-catching, luxurious, and it looks quite fashionable. It is big enough in size to cover your neck, shoulder as well as the back for both male and female users. Other than the neck, shoulder and back, you can put it anywhere on your body like your tummy, thighs, legs, knee, because you can just wrap it around your body to use it as a weighted heating pad. The process to use the UTK neck and shoulder heating pad is quite easy as it comes with just few commands. We got a button to switch it on, another button to increase or decrease the heat. We got 6 different level of heat settings, and then we got the timer that allows you to set the heating session for 30 minutes, an hour, 1.5 hours and the maximum 2 hours. It also comes with 2-hour auto shut off feature to save energy and prevent overheating. Talking about the heating, the maximum it goes to 158 degree Fahrenheit, that is 70 degrees Celsius, but I do not think that we are getting that much heating, because even at the maximum heating level with the maximum duration, I always felt the need of more heating. So personally I would prefer if the heating could be more on this UTK neck and shoulder heating pad, but the combination of the weight and heat is still good enough to provide nice relaxing session to your body and relax your neck and shoulder muscles. Overall, it is a very good option if you are planning to buy a heating pad for your neck and shoulder as well as for your whole body, as you can use this UTK neck and shoulder heating pad anywhere on your body. It is very beautiful, quite fashionable, and you can even bring it to your workplace. It comes with timer, auto shut off feature, 6 levels of heating, but still the max level of the heating is still not high enough. If you are planning to buy it, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner of the screen. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.